Former Foreign Affairs Secretary Perfecto Yasay Jr. has passed away. He was 73. His wife announced it in a Facebook post. It was also posted by the United Church of Christ in the Philippines. Yasay is the chairperson of the Board of Trustees of the Philippine Christian University, which is an affiliate of UCCP. Yasay served as President Duterte's Foreign Affairs Secretary, but had to step down after the Commission on Appointments rejected him due to questions about his citizenship. Yasay also served as chairperson of the Securities and Exchange Commission. He lost in 2 senatorial elections. In 2010, he ran for vice president along Jesus is Lord founder Eddie Villanueva. Yasay lost to then Makati Mayor Jejomar Binay.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.